So, as they say here in Australia, I'm going to bite the bullet and go over this CDR, and for that, you will need to provide documentary evidence of something. These are two things: fundamental technical knowledge supporting the nominated occupation, and the demonstrated application of this knowledge in the appointed occupation. And it is very important to stress that CDR should only be your job. Your CDR will be assessed against the undergraduate competency standards and the ANZ SEO definition of the occupational categories you nominate. This diagram in the Engineers Australia booklet on page 16 shows all the steps required for CDR. And I'll go quickly through them. So they are: first step, you start with your personal information. That includes a passport photo, identity or passport, name change document, a CV or a resume, and English test result. Most of the documentation in this step is relatively simple and easy to arrange, except for the English test result, which, depending on your proficiency, may take a little longer to get the minimum grade in each of the 4 bands, which are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The table shows the minimum grades for each test type accepted by Engineers Australia. English test results cannot be more than 2 years by the time that you submit your application. The second step is to nominate the preferred occupation category. Remember, it can be as a professional engineer, engineering technologist, or engineering associate, or for immigration purposes only, the engineering manager category. The third step is to prepare the academic documentation, such as the qualification and undergraduate background, and any other relevant academic documents, such as extension or specialization courses, master's degree, or doctorate degree. The fourth step is work evidence. If you have based a career episode on engineering work experience, or if you're claiming more than 12 months work as an engineer in a company, or if you're applying for the relevant skilled employment assessment, you need to have those work references. And the fifth step is the report, which includes the Continuing Professional Development, or CPD, the 3 career episodes, and the summary statement. And the last step is the actual application via my portal in Engineers Australia and submitting your CDR application.